based on Live Science, whom has been reported since the early 1990s in a town Taos in New Mexico, United States. Kids, evidently our Earth has mysterious sounds, like the sound of lightning coming from the sky, seismic activity from the Earth's surface, and mysterious sound from the ocean. Is one of the most mysterious sound phenomena. Based on Thomas Jamaluddin, head of the National Aeronautics and Space Institute, the sound was like a buzz, like the sound of an engine heard from a distance. So, what is hum? Let's find out what is hum and also the mysterious sounds that has been heard in Indonesia. Before we continue, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button, okay? Studies were conducted to uncover the cause of the hum. In the past, hum was once considered a mere delusion. In addition, hum is also considered to be the same as the hum of the ears and can actually only be heard by tinnitus sufferers, where the ears ring endlessly. But in 2003, a study reported that hum was caused by small frequency sound that exists in large industrial cities. That equipments produce a sound that can be heard at one time. For example, in Kokomo, Indian, hum was once dead as a result of the use of compressor and cooling fans. The initial report suggests that when the equipment were turned off, the hum was gone. However, the investigation showed that when the tools were turned off, the hum could still be heard. Experts believe that hum has non-acoustic source as is beyond the problem of utilization of industrial tools. According to Thomas, the last research has revealed that hum is sourced from the other waves on the ocean and on the ocean floor. The collision of two large waves in the ocean that produce small seismic waves. The wave takes 13 seconds to complete one vibration. Meanwhile, slow waves on the ocean floor can also produce seismic waves with a frequency of 13 until 300 seconds. So most of the buzzing can come from these waves. Happens in different places. This mysterious sound on Earth is not a new thing. Taos City is not the only place that has strange unidentified sound, because this hum sound has also been heard in Bristol, England, Auckland, New Zealand, Brondi, Australia, to Windsor, Ontario, and Canada. Based on Live Science, hum has been reported since the early 1990s in a town Taos in New Mexico, United States. The hum heard in the city has a sound like a buzz, whirring or low-frequency vibration heard by some of residents there. And finally, this sound is called hum Taos. Then the first hum report came from England. In the 1940s, more than 2,000 people in London and Southampton heard the sound, hum sound. Many people describe this mysterious sound as a sound with a high tone to faint rumbling. This buzz suspect to be caused by seismic activity, underground lava, or industrial equipment from the surrounding area. Only women can hear the hum. According to G.H. Mully and G.P. Kelly, researchers from the University of New Mexico, they once have learned to find out the percentage of people who can hear hum. Based on 90 and 95 paper in the journal Echoes, both consider that only 2% of the population could hear it. Some people hear the hum continuously. According to a musician, the frequency of the sound is about 41 Hz. Meanwhile, a technician said the frequency of hum is between 30 until 80 Hz. 75% of the listeners are female because they are more sensitive to hum sounds. For some people, when hearing this sound, they will feel a headache, like it's about to explode. Mysterious sound in Indonesia. Based on a live science report in 2012, Kalimantan residents claimed to hear strange roaring for hours. This voice happened 2 days in a row. After an investigation, it turned out that the sound came from a nearby factory from the location that was testing a new steam boiler. Well, that is the mystery of the hum, and the mysterious voice that has been heard in Indonesia. Have you also heard mysterious noises in your region?
Sampai di sini dulu ya videonya. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, dan share ke teman-teman lainnya ya kids. Bye-bye!